In today's video, we're taking a look at how to install outlet guide lights easy and simple. It's so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and hitting your toes is not an option no more. This is the last time you don't see at nighttime. We're installing night vision in your body. I mean, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. A few blocks away, but a back is a back. In this particular guided light, it's a snap-on outlet cover, which is easy to install. And no matter which brand you get, the technique will be the same. And this basically works by having two insulated power prongs on each side, which are positioned to slide into the electrical outlet receptacle and make contact with the outlet's power terminal screws, and therefore bringing the light to the darkness. If you notice at the bottom, it also has a sensor, meaning that when it's daytime or when the lights are on, it's not gonna turn on, and when it goes dark, that's when the party starts. And now that you got your basic electrical lesson in the books, we're ready to start. And because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to die, we want to make sure that we don't have electricity on our outlet. So we want to go ahead and turn off the breaker for that particular outlet, then either using our non-contact voltage detector or our outlet tester, we want to verify that we don't have any electricity on the outlet, because the last thing you want is a barbecue smell on a non-barbecue day. And now that we're sure that we can live another day, we're ready to remove the old outlet cover from our outlet. And you're basically going to see a screw that holds the cover in place. It can either be a flat head screw or a Phillips screw. No matter which of the two, the technique will be the same. We're going to use the ancient technique passed down generation to generation of lefty loosey, righty tighty. And now you've done it. You broke your home. No, you didn't. Yes, you did. And remember to save the screws, because inflation. Depending on the brand of your guided light, if you would need the screw for the new one or not. And now that we have a clean slate, we're ready to install the guided light cover. As you can see, we have the two prongs that are going to create contact with the power terminal, giving the much needed electricity to the guided light. When installing it, you want to make sure that you align it correctly. You center it. You might have to push a little bit using your strong Hulk hands, but other than that, it should slide in easily. Once installed, you want to hold it in place. Meanwhile, you tighten the screw into place. We like to have the screw pre-installed on our cover so it can make the installation a lot easier. Always remember the ancient technique passed down generation to generation of lefty loosey, righty tighty. And a pro tip, once you feel it tight, that's good enough. You don't want to over tighten, everything being plastic, you may crack the cover. And now you're one step closer to victory. We can go ahead and reverse engineer our way to glory. We can go ahead and turn on the breaker for that particular outlet, and if you turn off the lights or cover the sensor, you should see your guided light turn on. You can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. There's no darkness you can't bring the light to. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.